Now, what is it they say about eating an elephant? It's one bite at a time. Well, this is an elephant-sized problem here. Got this gigantic tree that fell down in a windstorm, and I've got to figure out a way to get it out of here. And I'm just gonna whittle away a little bit at a time. It's probably going to be a multi-month project here in my spare time. So I just need to get the chainsaw out and get cut away what I can. And small town's got a tree dump, so I get to haul all this away. Seems like about each limb is a full truckload, so it's going to take quite a few trips. Chain bound up a little bit, but Dewalt really makes this easy. It's just a simple thumb screw, and the cover comes off, bar comes off, chain comes off, and goes on just as easily. So got all the debris out of there, and get the chain put right back on. It's really a nice system they have, and the electric is just so much easier, for things like this. And yeah, it's just a 12-inch saw, but most things I'm going to be cutting, except the trunk of that tree, are small enough that that's definitely manageable. And the battery life on this thing's crazy good. So there's that thumb screw, just goes right back on. And then there's a tensioner that right there tightens and loosens the chain on the bar. So get that dialed in, and it seems to work. Here's the progress after one load, and still so much to do, but we're getting there. Hoping today to get most of the leafy areas out. Those seem like the biggest pain. Bit of an injury right there. Took one of the fallen limbs to the shin there. That's gonna welt up pretty good, but if that's the worst that happens, I'll probably be okay with it.
Got quite a bit of that done. A lot of the canopy's gone now. And just gonna have to figure out some way to keep working on this a little bit at a time. And yeah, I'm hoping before winter I can have it down to just the trunk and probably pay somebody to come in and get rid of that for me. All right, well, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.